Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be sharing with you 5 tools to increase your productivity and revenue as an online or digital marketer and also as a small business or small brand. Now, without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. To begin this video, we have Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a free AI tool that generates human-like content in seconds, and it has assisted me in creating better headlines, email subject lines, meta descriptions, blog intros, and more. Today, Copy.ai is used to produce content by several well-known organizations, including Nestle, eBay, and Zoho. Although some claim that the tool for AI generating content like Copy.ai might replace writers, but their purpose, I think, is that it works well to assist the writer's creativity. So they also have a GP3 program that you can use to create blog intros, better bullet points and wordings for your digital ads, making enticing subject lines, emails, and also creating product description quickly for your Amazon, and for also writing copies for your Google and Facebook ads. Additionally, it provides growth idea and brainstorming and also startup tools, among other things. When you're stuck, all this comes to play their part. But the fact that Copy.ai works with many other languages, including Chinese, Spanish, French, Japanese, Portuguese, and more, is one of my favorite features about this tool. As a result, you're able to produce AI content no matter where you reside or what language you speak. For novices who only want to test out this program, they have a free plan that is really ideal for you, and you don't need to submit your credit card information as you would with other tools. And on that free plan, you have access to more than 90 copywriting tools, 10 credits each month, in 25 languages are supported, and for a first timer you get 100 credit incentive for the first month. You can create endless number of blog titles, outlines, subject lines, subject ideas, and other piece of writing with your pro plan, but that's only if you want to move further with the tool. Give Copy.ai a go. It's risk-free, and that's where you won't be losing anything if you don't like the tool. But if you don't like it, do give this writing partner a chance. So let's move on to the next tool. Next, we have Canva. Canva is an online graphic design tool that tries to make it simple and quick to create graphic designs. For over the years now, I've used Canva's free edition on both my phone and my PC. The Canva free version is quite efficient and simple to use. Many people want small businesses or small brands and just want to create social media posts, flyers, covers, and also edit their photos quickly, can make use of Canva. With Canva's free version, you can choose a template like a YouTube thumbnail, and then you can drag and drop and create and redesign it to your own speculations. And you can use thousands of templates in Canva's free plan to create anything, including cards, social media, cover image, and presentations, and a lot more. But you're limited to what you can do, like making custom designs, and if you eventually want to make one, it will be quite difficult. As a result, while Canva's free version is worth checking out for creating quick graphics for content creators, marketers, bloggers, and others of the like. So let's move on to the next tool. Next, we have Hunter. Hunter.io is a lead generation and email outreach software that will help you to optimize your business outreach operations. To begin with, Hunter features a lovely and simple to use UI. However, it stands out for more numerous additions to its characteristics, such as the email verification tool, bulk email management, lead management, campaign optimizer, and free cold email templates. This is one of the most accurate email search tools for small businesses and small brands, marketers, bloggers, and you mentioned it. It has helped a lot of users with everything from link building efforts to cold outreach. The tool performs these functions in a variety of methods, including the email verification tool and a Chrome plugin to script web pages. Hunter.io collects emails from websites it scrapes in order to function. You can see everything thanks to this. It accomplishes this by finding patterns in an organization's email and making recommendations. If you try to contact a certain person within a corporation, this might be helpful. If you can't trust the data, all of IO's worthwhile efforts are basically useless. You can acquire data from Hunter.io that are thoroughly checked for accuracy, and this does not imply that any name it comes up with will be ideal, but nevertheless, in my own personal experience and from the testing, Hunter.io can locate and authenticate emails over 85% of the time. One thing to keep in mind is that the tool often performs better with medium-sized to large-sized businesses. Small local businesses tend to be more of a hit or miss when undertaking cold outreach because sometimes they only have contact forms with no email available. So if you're still watching up to this point, it means you're getting value from this video. So please do kindly hit that like button and tell me in the comment section below if you want a complete video on any of these tools I've talked about. So leave your thoughts in the comment section below and it will be duly appreciated. Now let's continue with the video. Next we have Planoly. If you're using social media to communicate and interact with your followers and develop a brand, a social media scheduler like Planoly is a crucial tool. Because Planoly is an app that you can install on your smartphone or use on the web to keep your social media presence going even when you're gone. For those with well-liked social media profiles but limited on free time, this app is ideal for you. Planoly provides you a free plan to get started with. However, to get a premium account and to get the premium features, you might need to pay an additional $7 to enhance your experience. But that is not generally needed because a free plan comes with a whole lot of perks. You might recognize the word Planoly after you've given it some thoughts, and this is due to the fact that Planoly was the first Instagram post planner to hit the market. This indicates that they have had the opportunity to win the respect of both big, medium, and small businesses. Planoly is also making strides in the world of Pinterest and Facebook, on top of being the first scheduler for Instagram posts. For guidance to when to plan your content for posting, you may use the Monitored Engage chat, and on your free plan you can upload and schedule a month's worth of content in a single day and never have to worry about checking to make sure if it has been posted correctly or not. With the knowledge that your social media profile has been managed, what is left for you to simply unwind and do other things. You can reply to comments on a number of scheduling applications, but not many lets you manage them. You can truly access these fantastic functionalities with the Planoly Instagram scheduler. There are a lot of features on Planoly that I would like to talk about, but I'll leave it to another video and give Planoly a try. And now let's move on to our last and final tool. And lastly, we have Convertkit. Convertkit is yet another general marketing center and email marketing solution that aids creators across all niche. Convertkit offers a variety of email marketing solutions that help you expand your audience and also keep them, regardless of whether you're an author, musician, artist, or just a content creator. You can easily expand, engage, and monetize your audience with Convertkit. Convertkit's extensive array of email marketing tools is one of its strongest features. With its email broadcast and automation tools, you can increase and establish a personal connection with your audience. With Convertkit, you can sell products without having to build a fresh email list each time. Convertkit provides special tags and segments to assist you in dividing your subscriber lists into categories based on tags, personalized form fields, and also by location. Additionally, Convertkit provides cutting-edge automated email funnels for niche content. Convertkit gives some of the most cutting-edge tools to aid creators in excelling in their respective industries. You can treat your best clients right while you own your insights to make sure no one misses an email by using subscriber score and deliverability statistics. It can also be stressful to create Facebook ads, but thanks to Convertkit, you can sync custom audience with Facebook immediately, saving you a lot of effort having to spend hours constructing ad lists from scratch. With the help of this tool, you can create email templates that includes quick graphics, clickable CTAs, and if you also want to code an entire email without writing a single code or HTML, you can choose to do that from the selection of Convertkit templates and create your own. Additionally, Convertkit enables you to add headers, buttons, separators, fonts, colors, alignment, and links to your customized email. Convertkit is a wonderful tool for creators, brands, and small businesses. So do give this tool a try. And now that we've come to the end of this video, give me your opinions on these free affiliate marketing tools that I've talked about, and tell me which one you're more likely to use in the comment section below. Like if you got value from this video, and subscribe for more contents like this. And if you do choose to subscribe, also hit the notification bell to always get updates on my new videos. So check out this video on the left for the best free and selling useful tools for small businesses that you can use for your day-to-day operations. I want to hear more of your thoughts so I can create content around what you need. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.